Okay, good afternoon, children. See, I
Good
have sent the slides only to remind you what all topics we covered in the last class.
Ma'am, I had
So
also
maybe
write
some
that.
students are absent that day. That is
Ma'am,
so.
Sri
Okay.
Shankar has written.
Okay. So if you are writing, copying it on the rough book, that also fine. If you are not doing it, that also okay, because we will learn that answers in the same way in the workbook.
Okay,
So,
ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
no problem, but it is only to remind you what all topic we learned in the class. Mm.
It's me,
Okay,
ma'am.
so in the last class, we have sowed the seeds. After sowing the seeds, we want to water it, right?
Yes.
Frequently, we regularly, we should water it. We should take care of the farm. We should check whether any other animals are coming to that farm, right? If the animals come to that farm, they may step on
Destroy
these,
the plant.
they may step on these seeds, and the
Destroy
seeds,
the plants.
yeah, the seeds may go
Seeds
deep
also.
to the into the soil, so they won't get germinate. They won't get germinate. Okay, so if the conditions are proper, if they get enough sunlight, if they get enough water, air, so if these conditions are satisfied, Vaigari, what will happen to the seed? You learned it in the previous lesson. What will happen to the seed if the conditions are good?
They will grow.
1 minute.
Roots.
So who changed the name? Vaigari's name. I called Vaigari.
It
Vaigari.
is Sri Shankar.
Vaigari. What will
Yes.
happen to the seed?
Uh,
Seeds will.
so
After sowing, what will happen to the seed? After
Ma'am, can I
sowing,
say?
after few days after that, if we are regularly, we
Ma'am,
watering it.
ma'am,
we
ma'am,
will
One
water them.
minute, let
ma'am,
Vaigari to tell the answer. Yes, Vaigari.
After that, we will water them.
Say it, Vaigari. Don't know. What will happen to the seeds?
Ma'am, can I?
Ma'am, can I?
ma'am, can I?
1 minute, 1 minute, 1 minute, 1 minute. Yes, Shreya. Yes.
Uh, Ma'am, can you ask the question again? Please tell me.
See, what will happen to the seed if we watering it regularly, if we are keeping that seed properly? What will happen to it?
The seeds will start to grow.
What is that word? One word,
Germinate.
Growing.
Will germinate.
germinate,
Start to
germinate.
germinate.
That you learned in the last class, last
Yes,
lesson,
ma'am.
right? So
Yes, ma'am.
germination, germinate. The seeds will start to germinate. The new baby plant will produce out from it. Mm. So, when these seeds start to germinate, small leaves, small shoots will come out of the seeds. So, at that time also, we should be very careful. We should not stamp on it. We should
Yes.
we should check that other animals won't come to that farm. Otherwise, they will stamp on these old baby plants, and that may die. And the baby plants may die. So, we should check the animals, and we should not water it too much at that time. If we are
Yes.
watering that baby plants too much at that time, they also may get die. So these all
Right.
things we should check it, right? Understood?
Ma'am.
So we should make it sure that they are getting enough sunlight. So if these all conditions are going on, means the baby plant will start to grow. When it comes to some height, when it grow to some height, we want to we should start to water it regularly. Before that, we have to make sure that the moisture is there on the soil. But after, when it grow to some height, we should start to water it. Otherwise, it may start to dry. Okay, so how can we water them? That we want to see. which all ways we can water the
Ma'am,
plant?
sprinklers,
water the crops?
sprinklers.
Sprinklers. What do you mean by sprinklers,
Ma'am,
Rachel?
like a mission water. Till
Like
like
our
water
faucet
like
Shankar,
around
say
one
it
way.
in a clear
Spray,
sentence.
ma'am,
It will
spray.
spray the
Okay,
water.
spraying
Crop it will
water.
spray.
You
Spraying
have
What is
seen it,
coming?
right?
in my house.
Okay.
Sprinklers.
Only spraying water is needed.
Ma'am, by
No,
No,
home.
ma'am, we should add
One minute,
manual.
one by one. Raise your hand with my permission. You can. Yes, Angelina Martin. Yes.
We should add nutrients to the soil.
No, I am not asking to about the nutrients. Here we are discussing about watering the crops.
And then we
What you
can,
know about watering? One student told by using sprinklers we can spray the water. Very good. Ahil, yes.
Yes.
What you want to say?
You can use hose. Hose.
Okay, we can use hose. Okay, we can use hose also for
ma'am,
watering. it.
water jug.
Water jet. Okay. Is there any other idea? Have you seen any other method of Abhishek?
Rain.
Rain. Okay, rain is there. Okay, okay. Then
From underground.
from underground. How
Yeah,
it comes from underground?
Ma'am, in agriculture technology in Israel and all like that way.
Agricultural technology.
Yeah, in computer way it will be coming water and all for the crops.
Oh, wow. Technology very much
Israel
improved.
technology.
See, Ahil, one more chance to Ahil. After that, I will explain. Yes, Ahil.
You will put side of this pond and all. So it
See, come near to the
No, it
device
is-
and say it loud.
so
I can't hear you. I can't
with the
hear.
help of pond.
Okay. Okay. So here we can, here I am going to explain about how we can water the crops in a farm. Okay. So watering the plants, that is called irrigation. Watering the plants, it is called. See children, can you see a picture
Irrigation.
here? Yesterday in the last class,
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
I showed one plowing, how it is
Farmers.
plowing, right? I am not satisfied with the picture which I showed you as plowing. That is why I took another picture. I think
Yeah,
the
yes, ma'am. I couldn't see the plow there.
yeah, you can see the plow here, right?
Yes,
How
ma'am.
it is attached to the animal and how it works. When the animal move forward, the plow also will start to move along with them. So the soil of that ground may turn over some muddy pieces, that all it may smash into soil. So likewise, we can plow that. Plowing, we can plow the soil. I think it is clear now, right? Children?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so now we can move to the next one, that is watering the plants, watering the crops.
Flooded.
Yes, somebody called?
Ma'am, can I leave the meeting and rejoin?
Okay, yes,
I
yes,
can't
yes,
hear you
yes,
properly.
yes, yes.
Ma'am?
Some other? Yes,
Ma'am?
Angelina.
Ma'am, near my house, there is a field. I saw a water channel coming into.
Say it loud, I can't hear you, child.
Ma'am, near my house, there is a field, and there is a water channel coming near.
Ah, water channels, water canals
Water
are there,
channels.
right?
Ma'am, in
Canals.
flooding 2018 and all near my cousin's house and all water.
Okay, okay. So here, mute your audio, everybody. So watering the crops, we can call it as irrigation. Okay, okay. Irrigation. Irrigation means watering the crops. That
Ma'am.
process is, yes.
Ma'am, is it there in the textbook?
No, no, no. It is not there in the textbook, but in higher class you will learn irrigation. Irrigation department. Have you heard one government agency? Irrigation
ma'am.
department.
No, ma'am.
Okay,
I heard
some
about
maybe
that.
those are related to farming. If your house, if anybody is related to farming, they may be knowing, they may be heard about this. Okay. If you are
Irrigation
not
area.
Yes,
hearing,
I know.
if you are
Irrigation
not
department.
hearing, then also just understand
Yes, ma'am, I understood.
irrigation.
I know.
Irrigation means the watering the crops. That is called irrigation. So
Ma'am,
how
irrigation area.
sorry, Shreya? I can't hear you. Okay. So
Ma'am,
here,
irrigation area and all.
Irrigation area, likewise you heard. Okay, so irrigation, we can irrigate, we can water the crops in two methods. Not only two methods, so many methods are there according to the nature of the crop, according to the climatic condition, according to the availability of the water. We can choose any of the method which it is suitable for us. So first one, I will show the first. You can see a nice scenery here, right? I am marking it. One tick mark I am keeping it, right? So here you can see the field is flooded with water, isn't it?
Yes.
The
Yes,
field
ma'am.
is
Yes, ma'am.
And it
flooded
is
with
flooded in
water.
2018 also.
Okay,
Ma'am,
so
I have
just
seen it.
I
mute
also
your
have
audio.
seen, ma'am.
Let me
I also
explain.
seen.
So here you can see the field which is flooded with water. It is not because of the flood. We are storing water in the flood. We are keeping the water in that field because for the rice plants, for the paddy field, they need more water. For their growth, they need more water. See, you can see that these rice plants are growing especially in monsoon season.
Yes, ma'am. That time
They
crops will
can't
get
grow
only
it
rain.
in an area where uh, they are not getting enough rain. That is why in Kerala, like in Kerala, they are growing because they are cultivating. Because in Kerala, we are getting lots of monsoon rain. So rice is a crop that needs more water. So they can easily grow in rainy season. But in the case of wheat, it required a small amount of water only. So that wheat can grow in hot seasons. That is why it is cultivated in the areas like hot areas like Punjab. Hmm? So there, throughout the year, they are getting very less rain. Throughout the year, they are getting sunlight. So that may favors the growth of wheat, but that won't help the rice to grow there. Okay, so that farmers are not growing that rice in Punjab, but here I am saying only one example. But in here in Kerala, we can grow this because here we are getting almost rainy, almost in all season we are getting rain,
Excuse me,
right?
ma'am.
Almost throughout the year we are getting
Ma'am.
enough rain, so we can grow, we can cultivate rice, which needs a lot of rain, which needs a lot of water. And that is the one reason why we are flooding the rice field with water. If we keep the water in the field, then only it can grow. Because they need more water. One reason. And another one reason, say you can see along with the main crop, you can see some grass like plants also will grow along with it. Like unwanted plants. Unwanted plants will also. Pooja, what you are writing? Are you doing any math homework or anything? Did I said
No,
anything
ma'am.
to write? Did I said anything to write to now? Then
No,
I am
ma'am.
watching from the beginning itself. You are going on writing. Huh?
No, ma'am.
Okay. So what you are doing there?
Nothing, ma'am. I have a pen. That's all.
Okay. Listen. Okay. So, okay. So, rice like plants, they need a lot of water. When we grow this rice or vegetable, whatever it is, see some unwanted plants also will grow along with it, like grass. So, grass is only one example. So many other unwanted plants also will grow along with it. But if they are growing, they may take the water, they may absorb the nutrients from the soil. So the crops won't get enough water or nutrients. So they can't grow it properly. So in order to get a good yield, in order to get a good crops, in order to get good profit, what we want to do, we should remove the unwanted plants from the our farm. So
Yes,
that
ma'am.
unwanted plants, we can call them as weeds. Okay, unwanted plants that grow along with the crops are called weeds. WEEDS. Amin,
Weeds.
switch on the light. I want to see your face.
Ma'am,
So,
like
Abhishek, what is
Yes,
the
ma'am.
name of the unwanted plants that grow along with the crops?
Weeds.
Weeds. Can you read the spelling of weeds?
Yes, ma'am. WEEDS.
Okay.
ma'am,
So,
I have a doubt.
so we should, 1 minute. So we should remove the weeds. Okay. So but the rice plant needs a lot of water. It want to be flooded in the water. But weeds like grass, like weeds, if they are
And
growing
crops.
underwater, can they survive?
No,
Can
ma'am.
they
No, ma'am.
survive?
No, ma'am. They will
No,
not grow.
can't survive. They
ma'am.
can't grow. They may die. Understood? So, in order to remove the weeds, in order to make safe from the weeds, we are flooding the field with the water. So, two reasons are there for flooding field in water. One is rice plants need more water. It will grow if we flood the field with water. Another one, in order to remove the weeds. Got it? In order to remove weeds. So what is meant by weed? What is meant by weed?
Unwanted plants.
Unwanted plants grow along with the
Unwanted
plants.
plants.
fruitful
Okay.
plants.
So in order to remove the weeds, in order to remove the unwanted plants, we are flooding the field with water. So that is one method of watering the crops. Flooded field or field is flooding with
Ma'am,
water.
excuse
That
me,
is
ma'am.
one method of watering.
Ma'am.
Yes, Ahil, what is your
Ma'am, I
doubt?
have.
Ma'am, duckweed is also like that, no? Example of-
Ahil, say it loud.
Ma'am, is duckweed the example of weeds?
Yes, that is also
Ma'am,
okay,
ma'am.
one type of weed. Yes, Shreya.
Ma'am, the unwanted plants will grow in that water.
The unwanted.
Plants will grow along with that
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, they will grow. See in your garden. Just see in your garden or the pot where you are planting your favorite plant. You can see along with the main plant some small plants unwanted which you
Yes,
have
ma'am.
not, which you haven't planted. That also will grow, right?
Ma'am, how
So,
they are growing?
Yes,
how
ma'am.
growing
they
in the
are growing?
water.
In my
They may
home and
be,
all
they
some
don't want any
incidents.
particular condition. They can grow wherever, whenever it is. Okay. Hmm? So they are not useful. They are useless. Otherwise, we can take that also as we have some uses of it that I will explain later. Okay, so in order to in order to make sure that rice plant is getting enough water and to remove the weeds, we are making the field flooded with water. That is one method of irrigation. See, all these plants are not don't want much water. Vegetables, if we are flooding the field of the vegetable farm, can they survive? Can they
No,
No,
survive?
ma'am.
ma'am.
No,
No, ma'am, they
cucumber,
can.
pomegranate, cucumber,
They will die.
pumpkin, yeah, the spinach. If we are flooding that farm,
They
spinach
can't
with
survive.
water, no chance to survive, right? We won't get
Yes, ma'am.
we won't get any type of profit we won't get any crop out of it. So for that, for like that plants, we can use water channels. Water channels. You can see one main water source is there here, right? One main water source, one tank or one lake
lake
or
or river.
But
something.
nowadays,
Yeah.
technology
1
is
minute,
so
children. 1 minute. I will come to that point. Please wait. Please wait. So, from the main water source, we are pumping the water into the water in the field. There in the field, we are making some channels. You can see lot of channels in between the plants. Can you see it? Sorry.
Yes.
Ma'am,
Okay, you can
some
see
waves.
lots of channels
Yes,
are
ma'am.
made in between the plants, right?
Yes, ma'am. Some.
So
Yes.
this when the water flows through these channels, they may make it sure that the soil will get moist. Soil can absorb the water from it, and through that the crops which we have planted, that also will get the water regularly, but they are not flooded. They are not underwater, but they will get enough water throughout the days. Okay, so this is another method of watering the crops. Water channels. Water channels. Okay.
Ma'am,
Yes, I think it is clear. And who wants to ask question? Yes, yes. Raise your hand.
Ma'am,
Somebody
now.
in between they are talking. Yes, Sri Shankar,
Ma'am, now.
what you want?
Ma'am,
Sri
these.
Shankar, 1 minute. Keep your device some more down. I want to see your face completely. Take it some more down.
Ma'am, now we can see me. Ma'am,
Yes.
now.
Then say it loudly. Take the microphone in your hand and say,
Ma'am, ma'am, that water channels, it will go so many crops, all crops will get the water.
yes, that is why the field may, in the inside the field, the farmer will make so many channels. Okay. So through that all channels, they may send the water. So throughout the field, they will get the water. Say, have you seen how you are watering the coconut trees in your house?
Yes,
How
ma'am.
they may take some round shaped, they will make some round shaped, they will arrange the soil in round shape, right?
Yes,
And
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
in that we can pump the water, right? Okay. Ahil, yes, yes.
Ma'am, is kelp weed?
Ahil?
Ma'am, is kelp weed? Kelp.
Kelp. Let me check it. Okay, I'm not sure about it. Okay, then
Ma'am.
Shreya.
ma'am, the soil cannot absorb so many water, right?
That it is,
So
it
they
has
will
some
die.
yeah. So that is why. So because of the sunlight, water get evaporated into water vapor. But if that crops need the water throughout, otherwise the farmer has to water it all day. Throughout the day, he has to water it. So if he is keeping this water channels in through into his field, he can once only he has to pump the water. Then it will be through the water channels. The water will flow through it. No need for that farmer to water it. So
So they can absorb.
likewise he can reduce the manpower. Alone he can't do the whole work, no? So if he is doing these water channels, or if he is flooding the field with water, he can reduce the manpower. Yes. Is there any other doubt?
Ma'am, if the water finished, what he will do?
Okay, if the water finish means, see, that is why government agencies are there. Government will help the farmers. See, they may construct this one irrigation canals. Have you heard irrigation canals?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes.
Yes.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
irrigation canals means from the rivers or from the lake or from the pond. Some big ponds will be there. From that one, the government will construct canals, some canals to some particular area where more farms are present. Okay,
Ma'am, it's
so
there in
through
our town.
that is called irrigation canals. You can see while you move from one place to another, you can see in summer
Road.
season the irrigation canal will be very dried up, and in this one in monsoon season it will be water will be there in that, right? So
Yes, ma'am.
but during, if the farmers are requesting the government to open the water, to flow the water through the irrigation canals, they will pump the water from some rivers or from lakes or from ponds, and they will send the water through the irrigation canal. Main canals are there that may pass us through different places. From the irrigation canals, the pond or the tank which is near to the farm will be filled. From there, the farmers can pump to their farms. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Anandan.
Ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
So,
okay.
so farmers build near the water farm.
Most probably, they will get the water. The canals will be passing through that farms. Okay, just check it. Wherever it is there, farms are there, irrigation canals will be passing through it.
Sir, ma'am.
Hmm.
Never.
So, can I go to the next point? Okay,
Yes.
so
Yes.
here, yeah. So, these
Yes, ma'am.
all according to the climatic condition, according to the availability of water, according to the nature of the crops, we can choose any of the irrigation method, any of the watering method. Next one, it is sprinkler. Sprinkler is a device that is used to spray water in the field.
It will go
See,
up.
some of the crops need water, not in not through the channels, not by flooding. So they need the spray of water only.
That
But
is sprinkler.
throughout the day, some
It will go
crops
upside.
need the spray of water. Amount of water should be less. Okay, and they don't, that type of crops don't want more water. They need only spray of water. So there we can, as the technology, Hill, please wait. As the technology developed, scientists are inventing new techniques for irrigation. Not only in irrigation, in each field of farming, they are introducing new technically developed methods. So here it is the sprinkler is one of the result of that technical invention.
Ma'am,
So
in the some gardens, it's there.
yeah. So most probably in so
Ma'am,
many
technology has
gardens we
changed.
can
In
see this,
Israel
right?
agriculture
So
is
here,
different, so many.
mute your audio. So here we can see the sprinkler is a device used to spray the water in the field. Okay, and another one is this is also another type of sprinkler. Okay, so here also you can see crops are
Ma'am,
growing
from
here.
under sprinklers are there.
Crops
From
are
under.
growing
With a
here,
pipe.
and this using this sprinkler, the water is sprayed all over the world, all over that field. So what is the so what is the importance of this sprayer is sprinkler means if the water is not available, if any place, if that farm, in that farm, if the water is not enough to get, so we can use this sprinkler method. And one more method is there, drip irrigation. Dripping. What do you mean by dripping? Drip.
Small drops of water.
Small drop of
Small
water.
drops of water, right?
Yes,
Like
ma'am.
a sprinkler is spraying. Another one, drip. Drip irrigation. Drip irrigation means, see, water will be flowing through pipes, and that pipe contains so many holes. So we will keep the pipes in the field. We will arrange the so many pipes through the field, and we will send the water through the pipes. And these pipes contain small holes. So through that small holes, water will go to the field as drops. Clear? Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
So,
Ma'am,
that
can you
is called
explain?
drip irrigation. For vegetables, people are using this drip irrigation so that they can minimize the use of water. If water is scarce or scarcity of water is there on a particular place, the farmer can use this type of irrigation method. Okay,
Ma'am,
is
I
it
didn't
clear?
understand, ma'am.
Huh?
I didn't understand.
What you did not understand? Which point you did not understand? Drip
Drip
irrigation.
irrigation.
Okay, so drip irrigation means what we will do here. It is spraying, no? For the drip irrigation, I will show it. Say, can you see these channels here? Instead of
Yes.
channels, instead of
Yes,
these
ma'am.
channels through the field, the farmers will keep some pipes. So water will flow through this pipe. This pipe is some holes will be there here and there or throughout the pipe. So when the water flows through the pipes, what will happen? It will
Ma'am,
leak
time
out,
finished.
right, through the small hole. That is called drip. That
It
is
will,
called drip
the water will
irrigation.
only absorb the soil.
Ma'am,
So
ma'am,
if
ma'am,
that
ma'am, I
place,
saw
one
the drip
minute, if
irrigation.
that place, if the water is not available, if the scarcity
Ma'am,
of water is
no.
there on that place, they can't use the channel method. That much water is not there. So what they will do? They will use this drip irrigation method, and they can save the water. They can save the manpower also. Now nobody to go there to water it. They can pump the water through the pipes. That's enough, right? Okay.
Yes,
So,
ma'am. Now understood.
Yes, ma'am.
so that is meant by drip irrigation. So today we learned about how to water the plants, how to water the crops,
Independent.
how to irrigate. What is the new word which we learned today?
Irrigate.
Ma'am, is this
Irrigation.
new word?
Okay,
Ma'am, new word?
irrigation department is there under government.
Ma'am, new word?
So that will do what all things to help the farmers. Hmm? That is there. Yes, Raya.
Ma'am, can you say the meaning of irrigation one more time?
Sorry, what I want to say?
Ma'am, can you say the meaning of irrigation one more time?
Irrigation means watering crops. That is called irrigation. Watering the crops. Okay, that is called irrigation. Irrigation department. That is under that department, farmers are getting water through the irrigation canals. Irrigation canals, that all are doing
Ma'am,
under
time
irrigation
finished.
department. And one more thing, see, as you saw, sprayer, drip irrigation, these
Sprinklers.
sprinklers, yeah, these all are invented by the scientists. See, so that is why I'm telling, if you are learning technology, we can help the farmers also by
Ma'am,
inventing like these devices.
ma'am, but
So
new technology come
new
in
technologies we
Israel
can
and
apply
all.
to help
They
the
have taken
farmers. See,
full.
sprayers, sprinklers, that is really helping the farmers. Otherwise, long back ago, see, the farmers has to take the water from the nearby water source. They have to
Ma'am, the time is
carry it,
over.
and
Or well.
Ma'am,
they
in
have to
19
pour
time
it
and
on
all.
their field. So that is very difficult. But now new technologies are
Ma'am, the time is
developed.
over.
Okay, so I hope you
Yes,
also,
ma'am, by computer. Some technologies
after
also.
when you grow up, you can also become some engineers, and really you can also invent some
I'm scientist.
some devices that can
Scientist, ma'am,
really
scientist.
help the people. Okay, so shall I end the today's session?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
No,
Read the
ma'am.
textbook. Thank you.
Thank you,
Bye.
ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.